Okay, Abby, I'm gonna try to learn how to do like that wormy thingy that guys do when they're dancing. Where, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like the...
What was that?
It's like the thing they do with like, where they move their spine like that, but like it looks cooler. Anyway, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, so see you later.
Charlie is doing. Who rides an elliptical when you walk into someone's house?
Me!
Hookah Lounge. Summit Street.
Ew, don't you wink?
Francis. I'm so hungry. G&L Courier. Iglesia.
Hey, what are you doing?